Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the last part of the leaf section, that is modifications of the angiospermic leaf. We know that leaf in the angiospermic plant perform two main functions, that is photosynthesis and transpiration. Out of which photosynthesis is the process which leads to production of the food required for the plant growth and development, while transpiration required for controlling temperature of the plant body during the hot summer days. Okay, so these two are the primary principal functions of the leaf in angiospermic plant. If leaf want to perform some additional function other than these two, in that case the structural changes occur in the leaf, and that structural changes are known as modification of the leaf. Okay, so modifications of the leaf are nothing but the structural changes occur in the leaf to perform some special functions. Okay, and there are four different type of modifications which are generally found in the flowering plant or in the angiospermic leaves. Okay, so first modification is leaf spine. Second modification is leaf tendril. Third modification is leaf hook. And last modification which is found in the leaf is phylode. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about all the four types of the modification of the leaves found in the angiospermic plant. The first type is leaf spine. Okay, so spine is the type of a modification in which in some xerophytic plant like Opunitia, entire leaf get converted into small stiff pointed structure, and such structure which is produced from the leaf is called as spine. Okay, so the leaf spine is stiff, hard, thick, pointed structure. Okay, and when entire leaf get converted into the leaf spine, then it will going to look like this. Okay, this is the leaf spine which is a pointed structure, and entire leaf become thick to produce this type of a structure. Example is Opunitia. Okay, and the main function of this type of spine in Opunitia plant is to reduce or to check transpiration. Okay, because transpiration is loss of water molecule in the form of vapor through the stomata of the leaf, and if plant do not check the process of transpiration continuously, in that case the plant will going to face water deficiency. So plant have to monitor the process carefully, and sometime in xerophytic plant like Opunitia, the leaves get reduced in the spine so that they can check or they can control the process of transpiration. So this is the function of this type of spine in Opuntia plant. Sometimes instead of entire leaf, some part of the leaf get converted into the spine, okay, like stipule, okay. Suppose this is stem and the stem have leaf base and petiole connected to the leaf. Now we know that this is the position where stipules are present, and in plant like acacia, entire stipule get converted into hard pointed structure, and this is leaf spine, okay. And in the plant like acacia, this leaf spine play role of protecting the leaf from grazing animal, okay. So two type of spines are found in the leaf of angiospermic plant. Number one is the type in which entire leaf get converted into the spine. Example is Opuntia, where the function of this type of spine is to check the rate of transpiration, and in some cases instead of entire leaf, only one part of the leaf get converted into the spine, like leaf stipule, okay. And such type of modification play important role in protecting the leaf from the grazing animals, okay. So this is all about the leaf spine type of modification. Then next is leaf tendril, okay. In our last videos, we have seen the different modification of the stem, in which we study the leaf stem tendril, okay. Similar structure is present in leaf, it is called as leaf tendril. In this case, sometime entire leaf or part of the leaf get converted into small, thin, cylindrical, wiry, coiled and sensitive structure, which is called as leaf tendril, okay. Suppose this is the stem of the plant, and stem have leaf base, petiole and leaf. Now in angiospermic plant, if the stem is weak, okay, in that case the plant need additional support to climb, and that additional support is provided by leaf, okay. Leaf show thin wiry structure, okay. Such type of structure produced from the leaf, and it is called as tendril. And this tendril help the plant to attach to the solid support and to climb, okay. So function of this type of tendril is climbing. Because plant like pea plants, okay, they have weak stem, and because of the weak stem they need the additional support from leaf tendril, okay, for their growth. So example of plant is pea. Leaf tendril is always present when plant have weak stem, okay. Either entire leaf get converted into the wiry structure, or sometime only a part of the leaf like leaf tip get modified into leaf tendrils. Now the third type of modification which is present in the angiospermic plant is leaf hooks. Name itself suggests it is the type of a modification in which few lateral or terminal leaflet get converted into hooks, okay. What is hooks? They are curved, thick, hard structure produced from the some terminal leaflet. Okay, suppose this is the stem of the plant, and now stem have petiole to which three leaves are attached at a common point. Now, one of the terminal leaflet get converted into hook-like structures, and this hook help plant to climb over the support. Okay, so this type of plant also show weak stem. Well-known example of the leaf hook is found in the plant Bignonia species. This type of plant also known as cat snail. Why we call it as a cat snail? Because this three hook-like structure which is produced from the terminal leaflet shows similarity with the cat snail. So we call this type of plant as a cat snail plant, and the modification help plant to climb over the support. The last type of modification which is present in the angiospermic plant is Phyllode. Okay, it is mainly present in xerophytic plant. What is xerophytic plant? The plant which grow in deserts. Okay, the condition where water is present at a very low amount or very less amount. Okay, so in xerophytic plant, this plant have to control the transpiration because they do not want water molecule to come out from the leaf in the form of water vapor. They have to conserve the water available, and to check the rate of transpiration in some xerophytic plant like acacia, example is acacia, the leaf get reduced. Okay, bipinnately compound leaf fall off very soon, and the petiole or leaf stem get modified into thick flat green structure. It is called as Phyllode. So Phyllode is nothing but the petiole of the leaf get converted into thick flat green structure. Okay, suppose this is the stem of the acacia plant. Now this is leaf base, and petiole get converted into flat thick green color structure. So actually it is not a leaf, but it is the leaf stem or petiole. Okay, and now due to the chlorophyll pigment present in this petiole, now this petiole can perform photosynthesis and produce food. Now if you observe carefully, you can find small reduced leaf at the end of this petiole. So these are the actual leaf of the plant, but as the plant want to reduce the rate of transpiration, this leaf get reduced, the leaf fall off soon, and the petiole of the leaf, that means this portion, okay, the middle portion of the leaf get modified into the Phyllode. And we know that petiole do not have stomata, so that now plant can perform photosynthesis without losing the water in the form of water vapor by the process of transpiration. Okay, so now plant can perform photosynthesis with the help of this Phyllode, and leaf get reduced. Okay, so these are the four important type of leaf modification which is present in the angiospermic plant. The number one is leaf spine. The main function of the leaf spine is to check the rate of transpiration and to protect the plant from grazing animal. The main function of the leaf tendril is to help plant with a weak stem to climb over the solid support, and the function of the leaf hook is to climb the plant over the solid support. While the last type of modification is Phyllode. In this case, the Phyllode helps plant to perform photosynthesis, because due to the green color Phyllode, now plant do not need leaf to perform photosynthesis. So that Phyllode perform two important functions. They produce food as well as they reduce the rate of transpiration. So this is all about the third important organ of the angiospermic plant, that is leaves. So in my last few videos, we have finished with root, stem and leaves. On my next video, we are going to start with next organ of the plant, that is flower. Thank you.